Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G82 and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds on this device. First of all, go into menu and find Recorder app. When you find it, just click on it. Now select Got it in the pop-up, tap on while using the app and allow. After that, tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the smaller one next to it. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the red one. Now you need to add a title over here. And then delete your recording right away by clicking on the bottom left corner or save it by clicking on the bottom right one. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it over here, then select this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!